and welcome to Crystal Accent. My name is Humble Obuna, the lead coach at Crystal Accent. Today, we want to talk about emphatic stress. First, what is stress? Stress is the force applied in the course of pronouncing a syllable, a word, or a phrase. We have word stress, we have sentence stress. Today, we want to talk about emphatic stress. What actually is emphatic stress? Emphatic stress is the placement of articulatory prominence or emphasis on a word in a sentence. The stressed word may be capitalized, that is written in capital letters, it may be bolded, or it may be written in italics. So when we talk about emphatic stress, we are talking about a word that has articulatory prominence, that is, in a sentence, one word is pronounced louder and longer than the other words. That is the word that has the emphatic stress. Now, here are some examples of sentences that have emphatic stress in certain words. The first, she has a blue dress. She has a blue dress. Which word there is stressed? The answer is blue. It is written in capital letters. Ben knows the answer. Which one is stressed? Ben. Let us go home. Which one is stressed? Go. So blue, Ben, and go have the stress or the emphatic stress in these sentences. Now in examinations, maybe you're writing any of the exams set by WAEC, NECO, or JAM. Any of these examinations, the use of English or the English language papers, you will be asked to answer questions on emphatic stress. Now, in responding to questions on emphatic stress in such examinations, interrogative sentences will be provided as options. Now, this is what it means. A sentence will be given. One of the words will be stressed. Then you'll be given 4 options, A to D. These options are interrogative sentences or questions. So your answer is going to be one of these questions or one of these interrogative sentences from letter A to D. Now, how would you get your answer? It's quite simple. The interrogative sentence that contradicts the emphasized word is the correct option. So you are given a sentence. Look at the word that is stressed in that sentence. Now look at the options. Which of the options contradicts that stressed word? That is your answer. To put that in a simpler form, just note this. Look at your sentence, the sentence you're given. Look at the word that is stressed. Look at the options. Which of the options does not contain that stressed word? That is your answer. As simple as that. Let me take that again. Look at the sentence you're given. Pick out the stressed word. Look at the options. Which of the options does not contain that stressed word? That is your answer. Let us see practical examples. Number 1, my father arrived from London yesterday. The stressed word here is father. Now look at the 3 options. Did your father leave for London yesterday? Did your mother arrive from London yesterday? Did your father arrive from London today? Which of the options there does not contain the word father? The answer is B. Did your mother arrive from London yesterday? That is your answer. As simple as that. The stressed word is father. Option B does not contain father, so option B is our answer. Another example. Aisha plays tennis always. The stressed word is tennis. Look at the options. Who plays tennis always? Does Aisha watch tennis always? What does Aisha play always? Again, the stressed word is tennis. Which of the words there does not contain tennis? The answer is C. What does Aisha play always? That is the correct answer. Very simple. Number 3. John is leaving a car behind. The stressed word is car. Which option here does not contain car? The answer is B. What is John leaving behind? A says, who is leaving a car behind? C says, where is John leaving a car? A and C both have car in it, or in them, but B does not have car in it. So the answer is B. Very simple. Number 4. The cat devoured the rat. The stress word here is devoured. Look at the options. A. Did the cat pet the rat? Did the rat devour the cat? What devoured the rat? Which of the options there does not contain the word devoured or devour? The answer is A. Did the cat pet the rat? B and C both contain devour or devoured, but A does not contain devour or devoured. So our answer is A. It's as simple as that. The last example, number 5. She works at the hospital. The stress word here is works. A. Who works at the hospital? B. Where does she work? C. What does she do at the hospital? Which of these options does not contain the word works? The answer is C. What does she do at the hospital? That is the correct answer. A has works in it. B has work in it. C does not have work or works in it. So our answer is C. It's as simple as that. So again, if you want to get your answer quickly, look at the sentence, look at the stressed word. Look at the options. Which of the options does not contain that stressed word? That is your answer. Now here's another method or another way to look at it. It's like, let's take number 1 as example again. My father arrived from London yesterday. Let's assume that you said that to somebody. My father arrived from London yesterday, and the person didn't hear that very well. And the person says the A option, did your father leave for London yesterday? What would you answer the person? You might say, no, I did not say my father left for London. I said he arrived. In your response, you would have stressed arrived. But in our sentence there, arrive was not stressed. So A is not the answer. Now, you tell another person, my father arrived from London yesterday. And the person asks the B, did your mother arrive from London yesterday? What would you say? No, I did not say mother. I said father. You would have stressed father. And father is stressed in our sentence there. That means B is the answer. Look at the C. You tell someone, my father arrived from London yesterday, and the person says, did your father arrive from London today? What would you say? You would have told the person, I did not say today. I said yesterday, yesterday. And that would have made yesterday stressed. But in our sentence there, yesterday was not stressed. What was stressed was father. So B is the right answer. Let's use that again for this number 2. Aisha plays tennis always. You tell someone that, and the person maybe did not hear you clearly, says, who plays tennis always? Your answer would have been Aisha. I said Aisha. But here, Aisha was not stressed. So A is not the answer. Look at B. You tell someone, Aisha plays tennis always. And the person says, does Aisha watch tennis always? What would you say? No, I did not say watch. I said plays. But we did not stress plays. C. You tell someone, Aisha plays tennis always. And the person says, what does Aisha play always? What would you say? I already told you. Tennis. Tennis. That is what she plays always. Tennis. You would have stressed tennis. And tennis is stressed in our sentence. So C is the right answer. You can use this format, or you can use the previous one, the other one I told you, which is look at the stressed word, look at the options you have there. Which of the options does not contain the stressed word? That is your answer. Emphatic stress is quite simple, and I hope you understand it now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click on the like button, share. My name is Humble, and I'll see you in my next video.